Hello everyone, welcome to today's EVS session. Do you know what are we going to study today? Today we are going to learn body parts. What are we going to learn? Body parts. So let us start. So children, first of all let us see what do you mean by body parts. So our body is made up of different organs and these organs are the parts of our body. So parts means organs. And in today's session we are going to study external organs or external body parts. Then second is internal organs or internal body parts, and third is sense organs. So children, let us start with first of all external body parts. Now let us see what is the meaning of external organs or what is meant by external body parts. Now all body parts which are present outside the body and are visible to our eyes are external body parts or external organs. It means that children, body parts whichever we can see with our eyes are external body parts. Now can you see fingers? Can we see these fingers with our eyes? So these fingers are external body parts. Children, these fingers are external body parts. Now as well as we can see ear. Can you see ear with your eyes? Yes, this ear, it is external body part. Similarly, there are many other organs which are visible to our eyes. Visible to our eyes means we can see those body parts. Such body parts are external organs. Now let us see examples of external organs. Now here is a picture of boy and we have different names of external body parts. Now first of all let us read right side and you also repeat behind me. Hair, eye, nose, lips, neck, chest, stomach, thumb, fingers, knee, foot, heel. Now let us read body parts given on left side. Starting from head, ear, chin, shoulder, arm, hand, leg, ankle, toes. So children, in this figure you can see that there are names of external body parts. Which are these external body parts? Now let us see next point, that is internal organs or internal body parts. All body parts which are present inside the body and not visible to our eyes are internal body parts or internal organs. It means that there are many different organs inside our body which we can't see with our eyes. Like I can see finger, but can I see my heart? No. So finger is external organ while heart is internal organ. So whichever body parts which are inside the body and are not visible to our eyes are internal body parts. Now let us see few internal organs. Now here in figure, left hand side figure, there are many organs, internal organs, but let us read organs given on the right side of the screen. So I am reading and you also read behind me. Heart, brain, kidneys, bladder, lungs, liver, pancreas, spleen, intestine, stomach. So here children, we can see there are 10 internal organs and their names. So children, these are organs which we cannot see with our eyes, but they are present inside our body. Now let us see sense organs. What do you mean by sense organs? The sense organs are the body organs by which humans are able to see, smell, hear, taste or touch. These sense organs are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Now, which are these sense organs? Now, starting from the left side, sense of smell. Which organ or which body part do we use for smelling? So, we use nose for smelling. Then, next is sense of sound. Sound. How can we hear any sound? For that, we need ear. Ear is a sense organ and it is used for hearing or listening. Then next is sense of sight. Sight means to see, to look. So how can we look? Which body part do we use for looking or watching anything? So the body part we used is eye, and we have two eyes. We use eye for looking, watching, and we have two eyes. Then next is sense of taste. There are many different type of taste, but because of our tongue we can understand the different taste. Now the last one is sense of touch. For this we need our skin. Skin gives us sensation of touch. Like if there is any hot water kept near you and you try to touch it, you automatically take your hand back because you feel the hotness of the water. Body parts used for this, that is nose for smelling, ears for listening, eyes for watching, tongue for tasting and skin for feeling. So children, in today's session we have studied external organs. External organs means the body parts which are outside the body and which are visible to our eyes are external body parts. Then secondly we have seen internal body parts. Internal body parts means the body parts which are inside our body and are not visible to our eyes. And third one is sense organ. The sense organs are giving the humans ability to hear, listen, touch, smell, taste. These are the five senses we have seen. So children, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.